So you have for me, Agent Whisper.
Alright, here we go. Now disclose some things to you, and not even bossy me to disclose them things. I'm going to say it to you in a confidence.
Oh, you serious?
Alright, so that upset me up on Spain town. More somebody to sketch out the location. None of the man in Spain town don't know the location.
You mean the whole thing with the Haitian over there?
Well, my suspects say them 4 Haitian here are the one them are missing from the battery they come in.
So, you can describe them?
And that's the thing now. I don't have a physical description. So
all you know say them?
Because of the language. I remember them always master them face, so I'm not going to see them face. But here more you do. More you sketch out the location.
Sketch the location?
Yeah, I'm going to tell you how it look and the color so you can have an idea.
Okay.
Remember how we did go over Spain town? So, on the right side, you have the canal. And on the left side going down, you have 2 coconut trees. And about 10 meters after that, you have one small cane piece. About a meter before the cane piece, there is an entrance. You can't see it unless you go down there. But then again, them don't mess with the bush, none at all. Them not go in it. All them do is dip and take them time go through. Them don't make no track.
So, you have to go down in a ditch to see the track?
No, there's not really a track. Them just use the area where them have less cane. But me get the feeling say them use bush to cover them track each time them pass through, because when you go back, there's no clue where them walk.
Whisper, you sure you don't want to talk to Bubbles about this so she can make somebody shadow you? Sir, I'm here.
If I forget somebody for shadow me now, me gonna look suspicious. And right now, as I speak, I feel like somebody I watch me already.
And that me I talk about. 4 people up against you know?
Yeah, but that's a deep sleeper.
From what Bubbles mentioned, she never say a deep sleep elephant. She just say watch and observe and report.
This is one of the apps. When we're too close, we step back now.
Alright. Continue.
Alright, so through the cane piece, 20 meters straight, you see a next cover track. We give our next 10 meters. Before you see a fence, but it's a wall fence. I tell you this, in the event, if anything go wrong, you know what to do.